The change would be to take all this up, regrade, put some slope on it, and start over. Fix it. Full of potholes. Can't patch. You can only patch so much. In this whole area, a lot of salt, and then we drive garbage trucks over it, so then it kind of beats it up. It's nice out. I'm in a t-shirt and it's November.
You know, structurally, those parking lots, they just need repair. We just haven't taken the time or the funds to get after those, and now we have an opportunity. You know, when that elementary was built back in the 60s, parents didn't drive their kids to school. All the kids, you know, they were in a school bus. And today, parents are bringing their kids to school. So we've got buses, we've got, you know, parents dropping their kids off. And the other thing we've got, you know, again, when you look back when the building was built, we didn't have 3 and 4 and 5-year-olds coming to school every day. And now we do. So you've got this. And so one of the things we want to do is kind of redesign the traffic flow to make sure it's safe.
For complete details regarding the upcoming referendum, please visit the district website.